Hi everyone, welcome back to HowtoLogin. I'm back with another video on how to reset your password for frostbank account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.frostbank.com and enter. At the top of the screen, right in the home page, you'll be able to see two boxes. The first box is where you can enter your username, making sure you're typing in the correct one. In case you don't remember your password, you'll need to simply click on this login help link right beneath the username box. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a next page. Here, in order to verify your account, you'll need to type in your debit card number and your 6-digit PIN in order to reset your password to a new one. Head over to the first text box and type in your debit card number and then type in your 6-digit PIN number. You can double check your PIN number by clicking on this little eye icon on the right side. After you're done filling in your information, click next and your account will be verified and you'll be instructed on how you can reset your password to a new one on the next page. That is how you'll be able to reset your password even if you've forgotten your details while logging into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.